Crosstown Traffic is probably one of Jimi Hendrix's most groovy songs. It's got such great riffs in it. Today's lesson is going to be a bit of a breakdown of those grooves and riffs and a way to play it on one guitar, because it's so much fun to play on one guitar that it seems a shame to kind of slave over getting it exactly right the way he played it in a band format. Anyway, download your chart. You'll get the idea once we get going. It's not that complicated. It's just really groovy. So we start that chord at the start, whatever that sound is. Like the closest I think I can come to it is this, which is a pair of B flat octaves on the 6th fret E string, the 8th fret D string, and then a G and a C up on the top two strings here on the 8th fret. So it's like it's a B flat 6 sus 2, I'm going to say, but whatever the chord is, this is about as close as I think I can get to that. Chord that leads you into that awesome riff. Play it, don't play it. You could just play a B flat 7. You could play a B flat octave pair. Suit yourself. But if you really want to have a go at that, that's that chord there. On this killer riff, that is a C9 chord. A lot of people will play the Hendrix chord there, but it's not. It's actually a C9 chord. Slide up and then slide back down. That's the key to getting this groove sounding really nice. And then you do the little bass bit that goes. Finishing on your first finger here lets you come back up to that C9 relatively easily. And then you sing. If you can, if you want to. That chord there, you can play a B flat octave. You can play a B flat 7 chord in there or there position. Up to you, but you're going. And then the last little bit, you can move to a higher pair of octaves. If you're on the octaves here, and the rhythm here you're doing is down, up, down, up, down, down, right? You see my hand doing this, and regular viewers will know what's coming here. If you're doing this, da 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 da. Right? Down, up, down, 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 down. Down, up, down, 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 down. Do it slowly. Down, up, down, 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 down. And those last two downs, you can slide up from that B flat octave up to the C, and that gets you back into the C9. Verses, also really groovy to play, because all you're doing is this. Right, C9. You jump in front of my car when you know all the time there. 90 miles an hour, girls, just speed I drive. Then we go up to B flat, 7. So you don't mind. You don't mind a little pain. Again, the 9, I wouldn't do the Hendrix sharp 9 there, just the 9 chord. A flat, drop it down to G and make it a 7 chord, right? So that little section there, the whole verse is like this. I'm not the only soul accused of hit and run. Tire tracks all across your back. Well, I can see you've had your fun, but darling, can't you see my signals? Turn from green to red, and with you I can see a traffic jam straight up ahead. Here we go into the if you want to. Otherwise you can just, you're just like crosstown traffic, so hard to get. The Tricky part about this song, if you're playing it on your own, is how to sing this chorus, right? Because you can't sing Crosstown Traffic, so hard to get through to you. Things overlap, you're playing the riff. So I'm just going to go Crosstown, so hard to get through to you. Cut some of that stuff out if you need to keep that groove going, because really that's the important part. Didn't mean to run away, you. Crosstown, all you do is slow me down. I'm trying to get on the other side of town. After we do a couple of verses there and a couple of choruses, it goes into this very, very short solo. Now the solo lands on G7, and if you're on your own and you want to cover it all yourself, all those little percussive sounds that you hear me doing there helps keep me in time as I do that. Otherwise you're just going, and it's a little bit more stilted, a little bit hard to keep that really strong groove going. Either way, here's your solo again. That's pretty much the whole song. You're just chorusing out from there to the end of the song. So really concentrate on getting that chorus groove going. Mess around with the vocals if you're keen enough. It's a bit of a busy song if you're singing and playing it together, but if you're just playing it, probably one of his grooviest songs. Thanks for watching. See you next time.